2018 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, moonroof, power steering, alloy wheels, center armrest, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, HD radio, panic alarm, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.